In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem codes in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the client, what to click, and how to make sure your code is applied correctly the first time. Start by logging into your League client. It's best to sign into the account where you want the content to appear, and to double-check you're on the correct region, since some codes are region locked. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the client for the store icon. It looks like a small stack of coins. Click that to open the store. If your client window is small, give it a second to load and make sure the icons finish rendering before you continue. Inside the store, head to the top right corner again and click the Account Settings option. This is where the client keeps all of the account-related tools, including code redemption. After that opens, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a section for redeem codes. Select it, and the client will bring up a field where you can enter your code. Now, type or paste your code into the box. Take your time here. Most League codes are a mix of letters and numbers, and they can be case-sensitive. Avoid extra spaces at the start or end. Watch out for common mix-ups like the letter O versus the number 0, and include any hyphens exactly as they appear on your code. If you're pasting from an email or a message, a quick glance to ensure there aren't hidden spaces will save you from an avoidable error. When you're confident the code is correct, click Submit. The client will validate the code, and if everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation message. Your content is then applied to your account automatically. If it's a cosmetic item, it will be added to your inventory. If it's currency, your balance will update. Give the client a moment if your connection is slow, and don't click. Submit repeatedly while it processes. If you get an error, read it carefully. It might indicate the code is expired, already used, or not valid for your region. In many cases, retyping the code without extra spaces fixes the issue. If the code was provided by an official source and still doesn't work, keep the message handy so you can reference it when following up. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the store, go to Account Settings, choose Redeem Codes on the left, enter your code carefully, and submit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly redeemed rewards. See ya.